Carpentry, I think, is one of the best trades out there because they know more about the project than anybody else.
We need more carpenters, we can't find them. So every time I see somebody thinking about school, I say, hey, we'll make you a good carpenter.
There are less and less skilled workers out there in the industry. And a lot of our local contractors are looking for workers that are skilled. It saves time on their end training somebody that already has the training that we give them here.
During your 16 months, you get all phases of construction, which is helpful because after you graduate, you can decide what area that you want to specialize in. So if you really like, say, roofing, for example, you like the roofing classes, well, when you get out, you can specialize in roofing.
Students learn here basically start to finish on residential homes, from the footer all the way up to the caps and everything in between. We hit all aspects, exterior finish, interior finish.
A young carpenter, this is what they're excited about. They're starting to build their own house.
We teach you everything from floor framing to wall framing to roof framing, and then once you make it to fourth term, we bring you into more meticulous things like cabinet making, project management, estimation, and things like that.
We teach them how to, price things, how to figure out labor, contract writing. If they become a crew leader or a foreman as they start to grow in their field, they're going to be, hand in hand with contracts and specifications. They got to know how to read them.
We have many blueprint classes here. I show them how valuable those blueprint books are for building inspectors, and that's what they want to see.
We do light commercial along with the residential. Residential's wood, commercial's metal. Roofing systems are completely different. The codes are different. We cover not only the trade aspects of it, which is how to build it and how to estimate it, but we also get into how to run the jobs.
The culture and the people are great here at Triangle Tech. The environment itself is relaxed. When we do get into a shop situation, it's more like a job site than a school.
I do a lot of my lecturing up in this lab. So instead of sitting in a classroom listening, they actually have their hands on different things.
Hands-on is everything at carpentry. Students, that's why they sign up for a carpentry program. They want to get in here and build.
I can draw it 100 times on a board, point it out to you in a text 30 times. But I can stand next to you in the lab and say, this is the way we're going to do it. And they pick it up rather quickly, and that is the best teacher.
That's how they're actually going to get their experience, by making the mistakes, fixing them, and moving on.
Small class sizes are very important because I can give the attention to each student as needed, or I can allow them to go as far as they want to go or as far as they're capable of going.
The more time we have to spend with them, the more we can teach them what is standard out in the industry and what's expected of them.
Triangle Tech students are people that are motivated. Someone that wants to better themselves, a better life for them and their family. They come here to advance in life.
If they work hard, come to school, they'll learn a lot, and we'll get them a good job when they leave here. And that's our mission.
No matter what you go through, finish this program because of the doors that'll open for you.
You can get paid all the money in the world, but if you don't like what you're doing, you're not happy when you go home.